Hi there! For today's video, I will show you how to create a logo here in Canva. So once you're logged in, you will see all the stack templates here in Canva that you can use. You can also start from scratch by selecting any of the templates right here. In this case, I'm just going to type in logo here on the search bar, so that we will be routed to all the stack templates that they have. So anything right here, you can select and use it. You can edit it or modify them. In this case, I will just start from scratch by selecting a blank logo or a blank template. So let me just click that so that we can start editing our logo. So you will see white page right here. Here's where you are going to insert images, templates, text, or anything that you would like. And here on the left panel, you will see the templates that you can use. You also have the option to use photos. You can upload photos. You can insert text messages, audio, or videos. I actually uploaded a logo that I would like to use. So if you just click that, it will appear here on your blank page. So from there, you can actually click on your image. You can crop it. You can drag the edge so that you can resize it, just like that. And when you notice, if you're gonna click on any of your elements, such as image or text message, you will see the navigation bar or menu buttons here up top that you're gonna be able to apply an effect or filter. You can adjust it, crop, and flip the image. Here on the right side, you can also adjust the transparency of the image. You can move the position to the left, to the right, or to the center, whatever you like. So in this case, I'm just gonna keep it there in the center. And then I'm just gonna adjust it a little and then move it to the center, just like that. Now what I wanted to do is to insert a text on my logo because I wanted to put the company name in it. So I'm just going to click text right here on my left panel and choose any of the fonts that I would like to use. So I'm just going to use this second one, and then I'm going to type Blackstone as my company name. And as you notice, just like the image, you can, when you click on your text, you have your menu buttons here. You can select your text color. You can make it bold, italic, or you can put underline. You can also adjust the size and choose any of the fonts right here. But I'm just gonna stay at this one, but I'm just gonna adjust the size. I think I'm gonna make it bigger, a little bit bigger, just like that. And then the spacing, I can do it like up to 200. Let me see. There. I just wanted to look it that way. Yep. And also another something for the company name is going to be asset recovery. There. And then I'm gonna adjust a little bit. Yep, that should do it. And then the spacing, just like that. There. I just wanted to keep it white and simple and elegant. That should do it for my logo. I will rename this as logo 1 so that I can easily find it from my designs here in Canva, so I'm just gonna name it as logo 1. And you can always insert elements right here like shapes or graphics or stickers, anything that you would like to do it. But for me, for this one, this is already done, so that I can go ahead and download this. You can download this by clicking download here on the upper right hand corner. You can download it by JPG, PNG, or PDF. Yep, PDF, whatever you like. So I'm just gonna download it as JPEG format, and that should do it.